Okay, hello, Ogara. On the Lilik advice solo ibla olgata workman ibla lukim tla video. Alright, tla Lilik video mi worki me musem bila tok lo time time you work na stop. Alright, first plus something you must thingi me musem. Now you work na stop, you rent na you stop. You got money, you only money, na you get money, na you know sawer lo budgeting. Samla blum workman, samla workman ne musem. Mi blasa you simet, you misa kaigay, samla you misa putim lo side. But now we at musem, mila tok le musem, mila mi tok lo side lo. Musem, you workman, you work, na you lose ting musem. You work gone na musem. Time mabrusim you. Yare mabrusim you lo time lo budget na lo ting money na. Buy ground na. Straight him family blue, straight him sit down blue. At least buy ground, build him house, na boy sit down good. Mila tok sila. So now you stop, you saw workman, you RM, you looking for video stop. Please, now musem time you know good time. Time now you work, only money, look out him, budget him na you. At least you put him go side na you find him on the block. Kaya na siya, mi blol man, mi blol lusim place, blum bla nam blakam stalo mosby. Ol wantok, blum mi bla, ol Papua, ol salim ground stop. You bla find him ground, buy one bla good bla ground, you bla build him house, na you bla sit down. Life ya. Inot sila you stop, na you rent la house blol man na. Fortnight come, go lo rent. Fortnight come, you think lo buy him kaigay no gat, buy you gin lo rent. Islam kiaman life, lusim, you know man. You man true. True mo money lo, build him house, build na you sit down, no buy him ground, na build him on the money house na you sit down. Kaya no siya, looking la house. Kaya na house, so siya scale. You don't need one expensive house, so one kind house, one costing you big money. At least la kind house, scale, lili kitchen no siya. At least you got shelter lo stop must be placed on narla man you got stop so. You see to work money, bungi money na buy him ground. Sanabim lili house na buy sit down na relax na stop. Like him you bla.